In this lecture, we are going to plot more portfolios. These portfolios will incorporate the risk-free asset, and therefore will form a line on the risk-return plot. As usual, you can look at the title of the notebook to determine what notebook we are currently looking at. Okay, so this lecture is going to be pretty short. First, we start out by again drawing all the random portfolios, which will fill up the inside of the Markowitz bullet. Next, we draw the efficient frontier using the color black. Next, we plot the Tangency portfolio, which is the portfolio with the maximum Sharpe ratio. As you recall, we save the weights for this portfolio in a variable called best W. We can use best W to calculate the corresponding risk and return, which we will call opt risk and opt ret. Next, we draw a scatter plot with this single point, and we will color it red. Next, we will draw our tangent line. As you know, in matplotlib, the way that we draw a line is that we connect xy coordinates together. The first xy coordinate is the point where we achieve zero risk. Thus, x1 is 0, and y1 is the risk-free rate. The second xy coordinate is the point where we invest only in the Tangency portfolio. Therefore, x2 is opt ret, and y2 is opt risk. Next, we call the plot function, passing in the values of x1, x2, and y1, y2 that we just calculated. So let's run this. And we can see that our line does in fact look like it is tangent to the efficient frontier. As an exercise, you can try extending this line beyond the Tangency portfolio. This will correspond to the scenario where you borrow cash at the risk-free rate so that you can invest more into risky securities.